Well, we decided to take a day drive to a park that we wanted to see over here in Illinois. It's a park we've been to just a couple of times, but they do have a campground, and we've never camped here, so we were going to check it out. Actually, my husband camped here when he was a little boy. His grandfather brought him here. And he remembers it because of all these trees here on the left. So we're going to go down here and look at some of the campsites to see if we want to reserve a spot. They're real nice spots. There's lots of space in between them. We kind of like camping. Usually your state parks are like that. This spot right here on the right, that's the one I'm going to reserve. But first I wanted to show you these trees over here. They must be really old. They're huge trees. I've never seen them with bark like this. I have no idea what they are. This park also has a wonderful lake that they stock with fish. Now these next two photos were taken with the GoPro 7. I don't usually take photos with this camera, but I think I'm going to start because I think these turned out pretty good, being it has that super wide angle lens. Alright, so now we're going to head back. I'm going to show you a different perspective on driving with your GoPro. No, not upside down. Alright, we are back. It is 3 days later, and we brought our RV. This is the first time we've gone camping all year.
Go on, get back.
Now, when I say camping, you know, we used to camp in a tent. We did a lot of putting up a tent and taking it down. But as we got older, we saw the RVs at the campgrounds, and we decided to get one. And I tell you, I really love it. It does make it a lot easier, especially when it's really hot or cold out. Yeah, if you notice, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's a pretty good little hill from the camper down to the fire pit. So we just want to be careful when we come out in the morning so we don't so I don't roll down the hill. Most of the spots at this campground are pretty nice. Lots of space between them. There's so many good spots at this campground. This is, I don't know how to say it. Is it Johnson Sock? Johnson Sioux? Do I have to cut that out?
I think it's Sioux.
Johnson Sioux.
Sock.
It's
Sock.
S-A-U-K.
Sock.
In Illinois.
Don't even make me say it.
But see, they have really nice, you know, some of them are on a hill, but, you know, the spots are nice. The big thing is there's a lot of space in between. Well, it's time to feed the dogs. So let's go on in and I'll show you a little bit of the interior. There's my little dog. Her name is D-O-G, and it's spelled D-O-G. So it's not dog, it's D-O-G. Wrap that one around your brain. And this is our little dining room, kitchen area. The bedroom's in the back. Here's my cat, and her name is Kit Kat. We just aren't the best at naming our pets. Well, I'm going to get some food out. We're going to cook some brats on the fire tonight. So I'll get all the stuff out. He's really good at cooking over an open fire. It always tastes so much better. And these are my little red lanterns. I like to hang them out if I have a place to hang them when we're camping. Well, we're going to prepare a supper tonight on the fire. We're going to cook those brats out here and just relax and enjoy the fire for the rest of the evening. Now my next video, we're going to start with sunrise. A little mist on the water. We're going to show you this historic round barn and a few more wildflowers that are still growing before winter gets here. And of course, a little bit of the dogs playing. Chloe loves to run. So I want to thank you for watching today. And as always, I hope to see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.